So, busy day. We've been trying to clean the stove, packing stuff. We got the carpets cleaned, and now we are picking up a U-Haul. I think that might be it over there, that big one. And we're taking one of these to transport the Forerunner. So maybe I could just go because he's gonna drive it. And we have some good friends who are gonna feed us today. We're gonna go over to their house. We're just having pizza. So, because we got a lot of cleaning to do too, and packing, so we got, we're going to Holly's house, to Jeffrey's. Yeah.
Holly's house,
Jeffrey's house, yeah. Do you like it?
Yeah, I like the robot shoes.
Oh, I don't know if you'll be able to play it, okay? We're not sure, but we get to hang out with them, okay? I guess it took Cameron forever to get the moving truck. Have you guys seen the movie Zootopia and how slow the sloths are? He was like, this guy is like the sloths. So anyway, so we went to dinner, and you know, because we just dropped him off, we went to dinner at our friend's house, and Cameron was just driving there. But we were already leaving. I have his pizza here, and so we're gonna go home, and the kids have been dying to see the moving truck. So we're going, guys. We're going, okay? And it's getting really late. I wanted to get them like playing in the moving truck because that's what Derek did when we moved here. He was able to play in the moving truck for a while. So that's why he's so excited. He just remembers the last time that we moved. Oh, there it is. There it is. We gotta park it across the street. That's a big one. It is the dinosaur one.
Yeah.
All right, we won't be doing this for much longer. Pulling into the garage. I mean, we're gonna have a garage there, but this is this garage.
Don't touch.
Alright, so these kids are sleeping in our room. We're sleeping there. They're sleeping there. You guys ready to sleep in Mommy and Daddy's room? Excuse me, Vera. Let me get the side ready, okay?
Derek. It's okay. This is fun, okay?
Yeah, we're having a sleepover, okay? Let me just go get a pillow for Vera. This big mess over here. Okay, lay down, Vera. Oh, you're so funny. Okay. Good?
Yeah.
Are you okay, buddy?
Yeah.
We have so much to do. It's not even funny because we have what's left of tonight, which isn't much, and then we have all of tomorrow, and Cameron works a normal day.
Oh, it's funny. It's comical.
But I cleaned the stove today, I cleaned the microwave, I cleaned the fridge on the outside, and then we cleaned like under the stove, under the fridge.
You still have the cabinets?
Yeah, I still have to clean the cabinets. Like, I've done the insides, but I gotta like really wash in those areas that we touch all the time. And I did sweep and mop our room yesterday, and I mean, it's just a big mess everywhere. It's really very crazy, but I guess I should show you the rooms that were carpet cleaned today. So they did a really good job. It looks so clean. We used to have posters here so it wouldn't be so bright for Derek at night on those summer nights that are really long. And I cleaned the windows. I dusted all of that. And so, oh, let me turn the light off. And I'm gonna clean this bathroom today so that we don't even use it tomorrow because we still have our bathroom. And oh, there's just we still have to do walls like this here. Is really dirty. We gotta clean that up. And we still have toys. So we pretty much only have like the bathrooms, which is just like the soap that's on the sink, because we already took out everything that was on like under the sink. So we just have like towels and the soap that is just sitting there for the bathrooms and then cleaning them. But to pack, we pretty much have food in the pantry, that's pretty much it, and the toys. So, but I mean, this keeps getting bigger and bigger. I don't even like being in here anymore. There's just too much stuff in here, but we gotta get things done. Oh my goodness. That's a scary sight.
We can use this for books.
Yeah, that's why I had that in there.
Do you have any more diaper boxes?
No. I do want to apologize now for possibly not being able to upload a video, you know, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday next week because of the whole internet situation. I'm not sure which internet we're going to go with, and so we have to figure that out when we're there.
We could do a hotspot.
I know, I can try and do a hotspot or just like go somewhere where they have Wi-Fi, but so I'm apologizing now just in case I can't get a video up on my normal schedule of Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So, oh, there you go. Anyway, we're trying to pack books because we love books. Those we're not going to get rid of.
Perfect.
Oh, cool. Okay.